Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadian makladon ke jingbate syuki menteri sarkar. Kaladon ke Jingdawa nak seng hitu. Baya ke syuki menteri rong baru deben yasam markeliang. Bat menta ke kenti deben ailat no haki khasi namar la bun snem labat tang diki garu yakane ke syuki ke bahe. Haba jubab yakane usambut menteri rong ba ke jela ba Prestone tensong. Ulaong Balei ban Pynïapher Jaitbynriew. Bat upediang ban long manu ki badai ki try jela. Ulaong baladadai man balong menteri rong ba ubana Assam ni West Bengal ni nabar ke jela uru un persya ya kata. Ngare ladau MLA balong menteri rong ba udah nak jela lajong haban pediang ya kata. Halor ke jingbujali menteri sarkar pat ulaong bakani kadai ke rukam ke bujule hangnu ru. Bat kamdan setia kanu jingapat haka parti NPP hakani ke jingbujali menteri ke bamenta.
I think this is not the only reshuffling happened today. In fact, the reshuffling takes place every now and then. And number two, everywhere. I think in India. So it's not a new thing. See, I think prior to the reshuffling that has taken place recently, I've already told you we leave it to the wisdom of CM. Because this is the prerogative of CM as far as our party MPP is concerned. But as far as our partners is concerned, again, we leave it to the wisdom of the party. Which one they want to drop, which one they want to induct, or which one they want to make ministers. So we have nothing to say. So it happened, and I think you have seen it. So yes, of course, those who ultimately became a victim of the reshuffling, we do have that sad and bad feeling. That is always there. But I am sure whatever decision taken, be it by the party or be it by the chief minister, it will be for the benefit of the state as a whole. I don't have to react anything to this because see, why should we communalize things? I think we should not talk about it. Not at all. Let our people also understand. If you say yes, you bringing in chief minister maybe from West Bengal or maybe from Bangladesh or maybe from Assam, yes, I'm also deadly against it. But as long as we are in Meghalaya, MLA of Meghalaya, I don't mind who's this chief minister. But what I wanted is to make sure that the development and the interest of the state is intact.
Penrius kwa ya kak tin la jong pindam kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tin khasi kak tin la jong ai kan roi kan pa
Ni don ki kentin la jong. Balei pat puri bat penduk yala ka kentin la jong. Kum kan nuksa ka kentin barikor kamut arts haka kentin pareng. Ka kentin lari tipat kamut culture. Kumta ya ka arts and culture ngiyo da ka kentin khasi barikor bat lari ti. Ki balong ru ki kentin ban kerteng khun. Barikor ka lari ti. Lapan mi da ka Batesi TV nakamenta ka jingmentoi upat ba.